select this object, go to front view, duplicate, and move it along the x-axis. Then, scale it. Select these two objects and go to Isolate View. Go to Edit Mode, turn on the X-ray, select these vertices, and adjust it along the Z-axis. Now, select these vertices and adjust it along the X-axis. Select these bottom vertices and move it downwards along the Z-axis. Select this object and go to Isolate View. Select these bottom faces and then delete it. Now, select these border edges and bridge edge loops. Switch back to the normal view. Select this vertices and move it like this. Go to Object Mode and move this object slightly along the Y-axis. Now, let's create a new cube. Go to the front view and move it here. Go to the side view and move it backwards along the Y-axis. Now, scale and adjust it along the Y-axis. Then, scale it along the X-axis. Switch to the front view, go to Edit Mode, turn on the X-ray. Now select these vertices and move it downwards along the Z-axis. Now, duplicate and move it along the X-axis. Again, duplicate it, set the origin to geometry, and rotate it to 90 degrees along the Y-axis. Now, move it upwards along the Z-axis. Go to the front view, turn on the X-ray, select these vertices, and move it to the left side along the X-axis. Now, duplicate and place this object like this. Follow the same steps. Now, turn off the X-ray, go to the object mode, select these 3 objects, and scale it downwards, along the Y-axis. Duplicate and move this object slightly along the Z-axis. Scale it down along the Y-axis. Switch to the front view, go to Edit mode, turn on the X-ray, select these vertices, and move it downwards along the Z-axis. Switch to the Isolate view, go to Edit mode. Add 2 edge loops horizontally, and scale it along the Z-axis. Then, add 2 edge loops vertically, and scale it along the X-axis. Select the center faces, and then delete it. Select these 2 inside edge loops, and bridge those edge loops. Rearrange the vertices properly. Now, duplicate this object and move it to the right side along the X-axis. Select this object, go to the front view, duplicate and place it here. Move and scale it down along the Y-axis. Go to the front view, turn on the X-ray. Go to Edit mode, select these bottom vertices, and move it downwards along the Z-axis. Duplicate this object and move it to the right side along the x-axis. Will be continued in part 7.